Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
PCM stores code P0778 when an abnormal voltage reading is detected from the electronic pressure control solenoid or correlation circuit. What does code P0778 mean? In order to operate the engine efficiently, the PCM monitors fluid pressure from a variety of sensors in the engine. For each specific driving condition, there is a predefined specification from the manufacturer that tells the PCM what the voltage reading should be to ensure optimum fluid pressure. If the pressure control solenoid fails to signal the correct voltage, the PCM assumes an engine fluid pressure problem and records code P0778. What causes code P0778? Common causes may include a faulty electronic pressure control solenoid B or solenoid valve B block transmission fluid passages internal. Transmission failures weak transmission fluid, or dirty or contaminated transmission fluid faulty electrical components in pressure. Control solenoid B. What are the symptoms of code P0778? The symptoms that may accompany code P0778 can vary considerably. In addition to the illuminated check engine lamp, drivers may observe inability to change gear, shifting gears, transmission slipping, overheated transmission, reduced fuel economy, torque converter, clutch failure to engage or disengage. In addition, there may be other clutch, gear ratio, lockout, shift solenoid, or transmission slip codes stored with code P0778. How does a mechanic diagnose code P0778? When an OBDI scanner detects the P0778 code, the technician must first turn to two things: a visual inspection of all electrical cables, connectors and harnesses, and a visual inspection of the transmission fluid. Damaged or loose electrical components must be replaced, contaminated transmission fluid must be flushed out, and the system refilled with clean fluid. These are two very common and relatively inexpensive repairs that can cause this code. After these, and each subsequent repair, the mechanic should clear the PCM and retest the system. If the P0778 code returns, the mechanic should start testing the solenoid and other potentially faulty components until the fault is detected. Common errors when diagnosing code P0778. The most common mistake made during the P0778 diagnostic process is replacing the high-pressure pump, rather than checking for faulty solenoids or wiring. How serious is code P0778? Code P0778 represents a serious handling problem. Without the ability to monitor and actuate changes in engine fluid pressure, the vehicle may not operate safely or optimally. It's important to carry out this repair as soon as possible after detecting this code. What repairs can fix code P0778? Common repairs may include replacing a defective electronic pressure control solenoid B or solenoid valve B, clear and fill block transmission fluid passages, treating internal transmission failures, fill with weak transmission fluid or replace dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, repair or replace defective electrical components in pressure control solenoid B. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0778, which relates to the electric pressure control solenoid B, is crucial for diagnosing transmission issues effectively. By recognizing the symptoms, performing thorough diagnostics, and addressing potential causes such as wiring problems or solenoid failure, you can ensure your vehicle operates smoothly. Remember, timely intervention can prevent more extensive damage and costly repairs down the line. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insights on automotive troubleshooting.